Hey guys, it's Kyle with eboxlab.com, and today we're going to be doing a disassembly video of an Asus U50F laptop. Let's go. Alright, so first things first, you remove the battery. And for this disassembly, I think the only thing we're going to need here is a Phillips head screwdriver. So I have my trusty magnetic head here. And we'll just remove these case screws. Alright. Just want to remove the RAM sticks, get them out of the way. And now this looks like the screw for the CD drive, so we'll go ahead and take that out. And go ahead and remove the hard drive here as well. Alright, so we want to just start taking out pretty much all the screws we see internally here, connecting the motherboard to the back of the case. And we may also need to remove this heatsink and fan here from the CPU, just because it's outside the case here. But I don't think we'll do that just yet. Come on. Huh, that's a long screw. Interesting. Also a long screw. So both the screws on this side were short, and both on this side were long. Interesting. Alright, so we're gonna flip this bad boy over, as I didn't see any more screws on the back there, and see if we can't get off this keyboard here. Let's see, get the handy dandy plastic pry tool. I don't think that one's gonna work. There we go. Alright, this keyboard looks a little bit damaged here. Alright, and now we just disconnect all the wires and connections we see here. And let's go ahead and remove this screw here. Alright, that is all the screws I see. Oh, there's one here as well. Yeah, so, oh well. I'll just pry up the back here. It doesn't look like we have to remove the heatsink and CPU fan just yet. Alright. What do we got? The trackpad connection. Alright. Alright, so to get the motherboard up, it looks like we're going to have to come over here and remove the heatsink. So we'll go ahead and do that. Alright, so now this should be able to pop out here. Looks like there's some connections I haven't gotten up. Alright. Go ahead and take off the screen here, and then we are done. For the record, you could have done, could have taken off this monitor, screen, display, whatever you want to call it. You could have taken this off before you even took the motherboard out. It looks like, as long as you just disconnected everything properly here.